Hello, grade 9. I'm Batul, an English teacher from Taqarub School. In the previous lesson, we had an introduction about what we're going to learn in this module, and we also learned some vocabulary which are related to the lesson. In this video, we're going to read and analyze a text about writing and communication. Before we start, let's read the words here. So, number 1, clay. Number 2, government. Number 3, suitable. Number 4, light. Number 5, portable. Number 6, papyrus. Number 7, messenger. Number 8, to collapse. And number 9, private. Again, clay, government, suitable, light, portable, papyrus, messenger, to collapse, and private. Now let's find out the meaning of each word and give example for each one of them. Let's start with the first word, which is clay. What part of a speech is clay and what's the meaning of it? Clay is a noun. It's a soft, sticky type of earth that is used for making pottery, brick, etc. An example of a clay is bricks made out of clay have a lovely red color. Bricks made out of clay have a lovely red color. Number 2, government. What's the meaning of government? And what part of the speech is it? Government is a noun. They are the people who rule a country or state. For example, the government is doing a good job of running the country, or the government is doing a good job of ruling the country. Number 3, suitable. What's the meaning of suitable? Suitable is an adjective, and it means right or appropriate for a particular purpose, person, or occasion. For example, cotton is suitable to make everyday clothes. Cotton is suitable to make everyday clothes. Number 4, light. What's the meaning of light? Is it an antonym of dark? No, it's an antonym of heavy. So light is an adjective and it means easy to lift or carry and having little weight. For example, these running shoes are really light. They make lifting my feet for every step so much easier. These running shoes are really light. They make lifting my feet for every step so much easier. Next, portable. What's the meaning of portable? Portable is also an adjective. It means portable, it means easily moved from one place to another. Easily moved from one place to another. For example, I can carry my portable radio with me. I can carry my portable radio with me. Next, papyrus. What's the meaning of papyrus? Papyrus is a noun and it means a kind of paper used in ancient Egypt. A kind of paper used in ancient Egypt. An example of papyrus is papyrus was one of the earliest materials that people wrote on. Messenger. What's the meaning of messenger? Is it a noun or an adjective? It's a noun and it means a person He's a person or she's a person who carries letters or information from one place to another. For example, don't hurt this messenger, he's just doing his job, or he's just bringing the news. Next, to collapse. To collapse is a verb and it means to fail suddenly and completely. For example, the country's economy collapsed and led to many problems. Next and the last one is private. So, what's the meaning of a private? Private is an adjective. It means owned by citizens or individuals and not owned by the government. So private means here owned by the citizens, not the government. After we have read the vocabulary and explained each one of them and gave examples, now we're gonna read the article here and explain the main idea of it. Let's start with the title. So the title is A Short History of Written Communication. When people talk about the most important developments of civilization, they usually mention writing. Writing makes it possible for people to send messages over long distances and across time. Imagine living on Earth 30,000 years ago. If you are good at drawing, you will cover the walls of your cave with paintings of your hands. If you are a good hunter, you will draw the animals you've hunted to show people. Such drawings are among the earliest examples of writing. Thousands of years pass, and writing moves from drawings to hieroglyphics and then alphabets. As written language develops, people realize they can communicate with other people further away. They want to send letters, but if you want to send a letter, you should use a postal service. The earliest example of postal service was found in ancient Egypt, a clay letter nearly 4,000 years old. The first government postal service began in China about 3,000 years ago, but people still needed something suitable to write on. Then, 2,500 years ago, the Egyptians discovered a light, portable writing material, papyrus. Soon afterwards, messengers on foot or horseback carried messages in Egypt and China. During the reign of Augustus Caesar, 27 BC till 14 CE, the Romans organized Europe's first postal service. But after the Roman Empire collapsed, the service stopped. In the late Middle Ages, private postal systems carried personal and business mail. People still send letters today, but if they want others to get their news right away, they send an email. So, the main idea of the text or the summary of the text is it traces the evolution of communication from early drawings to sophisticated writing systems, exploring the role of various materials and the establishment of postal services throughout history. The narrative concludes by highlighting the modern preference for quick communication, notably through email. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.